Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a circle on Instagram Story. First, open your Instagram app and tap the plus icon to begin creating a new story. Next, choose any photo or video from your phone's gallery that you wish to use as the background for your story. Once your media is selected, look for the drawing tool icon, which resembles a squiggly line located at the top of your screen. This is where our creative journey begins. Now that you are in the drawing interface, it is time to pick your circle's color. Look at the bottom of your screen for the color palette and select your desired shade. After choosing a color, tap the third drawing tool icon from the left. It looks like a highlighter or a thick marker. This specific tool is perfect for creating solid, opaque shapes, giving your circle a distinct and clear appearance on your Instagram story. With your color and the correct drawing tool selected, the magic happens next. Simply tap and hold your finger down on any spot on your screen for approximately 2 to 3 seconds. You will notice a perfectly solid, filled circle automatically appearing right where you held your finger. You can then easily adjust its size by pinching in or out, and reposition it by dragging it around your story canvas to fit your creative vision. Once your circle is perfectly placed, you can further enhance your Instagram story. Feel free to add text, fun stickers, or animated GIF to make your story even more engaging and personalized. When you are happy with your creation, simply tap the Your Story button at the bottom left to share it with all your followers. Alternatively, you can choose to send it to specific friends using the Close Friends option for a more private share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.